Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the Casio G-Shock Mudmaster Module 5562 watch. As with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxing videos in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. I want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So let's take a look at everything we get. Casio G-Shock warranty card. The instruction manual, again, this is the 5562. And then the watch itself. So this is a solar powered watch. It is not atomic, so you would have to manually set this one. Now this is just an unboxing. Maybe I will add at the end of this video a link to some videos where I actually go through all the settings of the watch. Light button here, mode button, adjust button, and then a search or down button on the left hand side. It is built like a tank, nice and heavy. Anyway, that's a quick unboxing. Hope it helps.